My mom is a Malay with strong Chinese and Indian blood, and my dad, on the other hand, is Eastern European. Had it not been for unity, I would not be here today.
Unity is victory. When there is teamwork and collaboration, we Malaysians can achieve wonderful things.
Let us always remember that unity is our fundamental strength as a people and as a nation.
Jalur Gemilang is not just one of many political views. Rather, it is a symbol of our national unity. We are only as strong as we are united, as weak as we are divided.
Let us embrace the beauty of our individual humanity and move forward peacefully to bring a better Malaysia.
Let us remind ourselves that unity is our people's and country's strength.
Hashtag Malaysia Mercy.